Today we have a very fizztastic and fun experiment. Some of my fellow lab assistants wanted me to make party poppers. First of all, without inflating our balloons, we're gonna tie it closed. Now, once we've tied them closed, it looks like we cut off a ½ inch from the non-tied end of the balloon. We're going to stretch the newly cut opening of the balloon over one end of the toilet paper tube and secure it with tape. I'm using some packing tape. It's pretty strong. You could also use duct tape if you want to. Those are both really strong tapes, and would make sure that your balloon stays in place. It doesn't slip off. Okay. Okay, friends. Now I have 5 Fizzlebop poppers. I just need to put some stickers on them. We happen to have these really fun stickers that say Dr. Fizzlebop Labs on them. So we're gonna wrap each one with the Dr. Fizzlebop Labs sticker. But you could use any stickers you want. Let's finish this experiment by putting all the confetti we need into our party poppers. Now I have a lot of different colors of confetti in here, and I put them in little bags because confetti can get everywhere. All right, well, I have all my confetti party poppers ready to go. The experiment is complete. I think all I'm gonna need to do is call my lab assistants soon to have them come help me. Let's say fizztastic on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1.